attempt at a long and serious innings is over, courtesy of Adil Rashid.
Well, this is exactly why Rashid is so important to this one-day team, because he can do this. He can get the best players in the world out in the middle overs. It's a peach, late spin.
Oh, look at the look on that face. Look, 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 and look again. A perfect leg spinner, the seam position, the trajectory and effort in that ball, everything about it bang on. 71 from 72 for Virat. It's 156 for 4 now.
Oh, just look at this. The umpires are checking on Virat Kohli's dismissal because they feel that Josh Buttler might have taken the bells off with his hands. Well, has he now? Just watch this. No, that's out. The ball's hit the stumps.